Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make healthy yogurt at home using an easy method. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients and essential kitchen tools. Then, I'll walk you through the basic steps to ensure a successful and delicious batch every time. Finally, we'll explore some fantastic tips for customizing your homemade yogurt to perfectly suit your taste preferences. It's a rewarding process that yields a fresh, wholesome treat. To begin, you'll need 1/2 gallon of fresh milk, preferably whole milk for a creamier texture. For your starter, use 2 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt with live active cultures. Essential equipment includes a large pot, a reliable thermometer, and clean glass jars for incubation and storage. Remember, sanitizing all your tools is crucial to prevent unwanted bacteria and ensure a pure, healthy yogurt. First, gently heat your milk in the pot to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring occasionally to prevent scorching. This step denatures proteins, creating a firmer yogurt. Next, cool the milk down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooled, carefully stir in your 2 tablespoons of starter yogurt until fully incorporated. Finally, incubate the mixture for 8 to 12 hours in a warm place, allowing the cultures to work their magic. Once your yogurt is ready, the fun begins. You can customize it with fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, or crunchy granola. For a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, simply strain it through a cheesecloth-lined colander for a few hours. Store your delicious homemade yogurt in airtight containers in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delightful for about 7 to 10 days, providing a healthy snack whenever you desire.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.